Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. So, we do restorations, we do plow days, tractor shows, all that. We don't typically do product review, but this is one that I want to do a quick one on. So, for years and years and years, I've had gas pressure washers and love them. Swore I'd never buy an electric one until finally my gas pressure washer gave out on me. I've had this thing for like 10 or 12 years. I've replaced the pump on it, and it got to the point where the hose and the gun portion of it was just ready to explode, and finally the end of the wand broke off. So I had the choice. I could spend $250, $300 up to $1,200 on another gas pressure washer, or just try out an electric one. So my dad actually had bought this same Westinghouse electric pressure washer, said, hey, it works great, give it a shot. So I did, and this is where we're at. So let me take you on a quick tour here, take you into my wife's she shed, and I'll show you the goods. So down here you can see I used to have this Honda, let's see what it was, an XL 2600 PSI gas engine. Replaced the pump on it. It's lasted a long time, but I ended up going with this Westinghouse. The model's a ePX3100 Max. It's 2300 PSI. This one was 2600 PSI. So I'm 300 PSI short. Do I notice a difference? Not really. So for just your general around the house pressure washing, highly recommend it. It's 140 bucks. I got mine on Amazon. They sell it at Home Depot and probably some other big box stores. So if you just need a good pressure washer to, keep your house clean, wash your cars, 140 bucks, you can't go wrong. It was delivered to my door the next day and works pretty good. So I got some video of that coming up. I want to show you some other things that I got to go with it that'll enhance your pressure washing experience. All right, so a couple other things that I got with that pressure washer. Again, it was a Westinghouse pressure washer. There's this Westinghouse foam cannon, and this thing is amazing. It's all quick action, on and off. You can adjust the amount of foam, the spray pattern, if it's a narrow like stream or a big fan to spray it on. This thing works amazing. And I got some of this Adams Polishes Mega Foam. It smells like cherry to me. My wife says it smells like Robitussin, but it seems to work pretty good. So I'll put some shots up here in a second of me spraying down the John Deere 300.5 and Sweaty Betty. I had them both at plow days. There was lots of dirt and grime on the tires, and both the foam and the pressure washer took everything off pretty easy. So I guess that's my cue for my shout out. While I got you real quick, and if you do a review for the pressure washer, it doesn't matter if you do it on Amazon or on the Westinghouse site, they'll send you a free pack of extra nozzles, so can't beat that. Alright, shout out board. Thanks to Gary, Tractor Talk with Gary, as always, for giving me this idea. But today's shout out is Open Air Adventure. I'll throw these up here so you can see them real quick. So Kenny owns Open Air Adventure. He does lots of firewood stuff, so there'll be video of him. He's got a huge case front wheel assist tractor with a loader on it, chains on the tires, big trailer, dragging on through the woods, pulling out logs, cutting down trees. He does reviews on chainsaws, firewood. He'll give you all kinds of tips and tricks for splitting wood, whether it's manually or with a splitter, how to dry out your wood. He's just got all kinds of really cool stuff on there. So Kenny, I appreciate the support you gave me with my channel. You gave me a shout out on yours. I've got some subscribers from you, so hopefully I can return the favor and you can get some from me. So I sent Kenny one of my stickers, and he sent one back in return. I guess I probably should have practiced peeling this off before I started the video. But Kenny at Open Air Adventures, you've definitely 100% earned a spot on my board. I'm gonna put you on here with Knowles Garden Tractors and Firewood, Adirondack Woodsman, In the Backyard with Dell, and of course Tractor Talk with Gary. So lots of good channels. This whole community of guys, we help and support each other. We comment on each other's posts. We share subscribers, and it's amazing how much these channels can grow. Obviously with Kenny's Open Air Adventure and Adirondack Woodsman, like they're firewood channels. Even Noel has some on there. He does tractors too, but can you tell it's a bit windy today? Anyway, a whole different genre of people are watching and subscribing to these guys' channels that may not be into necessarily tractors or looking for them, but because he's given me a shout out and advertised my channel, I've had new people come to me. So if you can, please check out these channels, give them a sub, check out Open Air Adventure by Kenny, cool dude, and leave a comment in one of his videos and let him know that Rusty Wrench Restoration sent you. Alright, that's enough of that. I'm just going to shoot some video that I took yesterday while I was outside doing the foam cannon on Sweaty Betty and the diesel tractor, and worked out pretty good. So I'm not typically going to do product reviews, definitely not a paid endorsement or nothing like that at all, but for 140 bucks, I think this foam cannon was like 20, and I got 2 bottles of this. I want to say they were like 10, 12 bucks a piece, and free nozzles for doing a review. You can't beat that. You know, less than 200 bucks, you got a nice electric power washer set up to clean your equipment or your house, whatever. I pressure washed the front of my house with this same soap, and it worked pretty good too. So anyway, that's it for today's quick video. Got the Wednesday retro restorations coming out day after tomorrow. That'll be an interesting one. I think that one's going to be on the Huff payloader, and then Saturday's video will be the plow day in Edenton, North Carolina. So you'll have to excuse the audio if it's not too good. My good Rode microphone unfortunately fell off my tractor and got plowed under, and well, it's gone. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. We'll catch you on the next time.